Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You already know what we're going to be talking about today, installing an electric sunshade inside my Model Y. I've seen these all over the internet. I finally got my hands on one. I'm super excited to share the install process with you guys today. Let's get into it. All right, so testing it out. We're here in the back seat. It has controls right here on the front and the back. Let's go ahead and give it a push. There it goes. Pretty quiet motor overall. I'll leave this part in so you can hear how it sounds. All right, let's try closing it from the back seat. Pretty sweet. Moving up to the front seat to test it out. Let's give it a try. Pushing the close button once brings the sunshade all the way forward. Pushing it again stops it where it's at. You can easily, retract it or keep it going all the way, depending on what you want to do. So super nice. Up here, it's actually even quieter. You're not near the motor, which is in the back. So it's a nice quiet kind of feel. Comes all the way forward and looks amazing. Let's see if you can see this on camera. This mesh is actually super nice and like kind of just what you'd expect, just a cover, right? So it's not super hard. It's kind of a soft material, but it's firm enough, which is not gonna sag over time or anything like that. So I really like how they designed this. Bringing it back, and I'm gonna get you guys some close-ups of this, but the actual material that this is made of is a one-to-one match to the headliner that comes on your Model Y. So it's a one-to-one match. I don't know if it's the same material, it has the same pattern, has the same texture. This thing looks and feels like it's like this from the factory. I know I say that a lot, and I'm not exaggerating this time. This looks OEM. This thing's awesome. While we're testing out the Sunshade's features, I do want to point out that it has an anti-pinch feature, where if there's an object in the way, it'll actually bounce back. I'm going to test it out for you guys. Let's try it. So I'm going to put my kind of hand here, see if it bounces off my hand. Perfect. Just like you'd expect it to work. One last thing I want to show you guys is this sunshade is also voice controlled. Make sure you don't tell these voice controls to your children if you value any of your sanity, but just keep these to yourself. It's probably a really good idea. So the actual kit comes with a little code book here, and it kind of tells you how to control the sunshade. So the sunshade's name is TT. So if you say, "Hello, TT.
I am here.
Open sunshade.
Open.
Close sunshade.
Close.
Stop power."
Stop.
Pretty sweet, right? You can control exactly where it is while you're driving. You don't need to take your hands off the wheel or anything like that. Super cool feature to have the actual voice control if you need it. I want to quickly talk about the install process and how easy it was for a project this size. I say this size because it's a big, like physically big project, but the actual effort to install it really wasn't that bad. There's no electronics you have to do. You hook up one wire, you fish one wire through the back there and bring that through. I would say the hardest part is actually lining up the screws into these front brackets in front of me here. But if you have some help, that'll help a lot. You won't have to struggle like I did, but just making sure it's cinched up there into the actual roof liner, the sections that are designed for it, then lining up those screw holes. It's a little bit challenging. It'd be easier if you had a partner, but you can totally do it by yourself. So on a difficulty scale to get this installed, I'd say probably maybe like a 3 out of 10 of a difficulty scale, just because it's kind of unwieldy. If you have a partner, it goes all the way down to like a 2. So easy project to install, and I highly recommend it. Well, that about wraps up this video. I want to go over my final thoughts real quick of the sunshade and is it worth it? In my opinion, definitely yes. I've messed with the sunshades that are just the actual piece of plastic that installs with little clips. I've done some electrostatic sunshades. This one blows them all out of the water, as it should. It's probably 10 times the price of any of those other ones, but it's worth it. This is how the car should have come from the factory. There's a few mods that I think are really important to your Model Y. One being the powered frunk, 2 being some sort of like dash screen. And then I think this one is in those like top 2 or 3 mods that you can do to your Model Y that really change how it functions. Don't get me wrong. I absolutely love the big glass roof in my Model Y. The panoramic roof is awesome. I love having people come in and being like, wow, this is cool. I love seeing their faces light up. But this just adds another dimension to that. It really doesn't take too much away. Maybe, I don't know, 4 inches all the way around, but you still get a great panoramic sunroof. And now you have the ability to put a shade over it to really help out on those hot days. It's just starting to become spring and summer back here where I'm from in the Midwest, which means rays are going to be beating down the inside of my car, especially a black car. And I've gotten into my Model Y before where it's been too hot to touch the wheels, to touch the other things. I know you're going to say in the comments, I can already hear you guys typing, what about active cooling? Turn on your preconditioning before you get in the car. We do that. Sometimes we forget. We're human, right? But yes, turn on your preconditioning. It really helps cool things down. But this is also going to help in those days when we can just close that giant panoramic sunroof and just keep us a little bit cooler inside the car. To me, it's worth it. I sincerely appreciate it having this in my car now. I know we're going to get tons of use out of it. If you're interested in picking up one of these panoramic sunroofs, I got this sunroof from Test Studio. They're an awesome company. I've reviewed a lot of their products. Really good customer service, really good support. So please, feel free to reach out to them if you have any issues, but I don't think you will with this sunshade. The link to it is down in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Whenever you shop at Test Studio, always use the discount code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen. I think it saves you about 22% right now off this sunshade. So it's a big savings. Make sure you use that if you're going to pick one of these up just in time for summer. If you're interested in anything else I reviewed on the channel, feel free to check out my link tree. It'll be on the screen as well. I'll have some video of what my link tree looks like. It has all the products that I reviewed on this channel and a link to each one of them so you can find them. Always use discount code GAMBLE1080 whenever you shop at any of the Tesla specific websites, or you can find me on Amazon as well. I really appreciate you guys coming back to the channel as always. Thank you so much for coming. Your support means the world to me. If you have any questions or comments about this sunshade, about your install process, I'd love to hear it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day.